What's up, guys? It is absolutely freezing here in Alabama. Currently 2 p.m. and it is 24 degrees. The wind chill is 4 and they're calling for it to be 20 degrees below freezing by the morning. And so since we now have the diesel trifecta, I figured we had to get the trucks out in preparation for that. So I guess I'll catch up with y'all first thing in the morning for some proper cold starts. And we're not plugging the trucks up, and the Ram has a grid heater delete. So they're probably gonna be pretty grumpy about it as well.
Starting off, 2004. Ford F-250, 6-liter Power Stroke, stock charger, 3-inch downpipe, 5-inch straight pipe. It somehow feels colder in here on this leather than it does outside. Ooh. Ooh. Still ain't smoothed out yet, and obviously high idle hadn't kicked in either, but it should soon. Up next, we got a 2007.5 Dodge Ram 2500, 6.7 Cummins, pusher compound setup, 4-inch straight pipe. Not as grumpy as a 6-liter, but still definitely more grumpy than normal. I guess this thing went straight into high idle. Last up, 2007 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, 6.6 LBZ Duramax, stock charger, 3-inch downpipe, 5-inch straight pipe. Not as grumpy as either one, but still not totally normal either. Idle sounds crazy on this thing.
Well, that was definitely the coldest cold start video that I've ever filmed by far, but y'all drop a comment and let me know which truck you think sounded the best and I guess did the best, and I'll quickly give you my rating as well. So as far as the startup itself, how the trucks handled the cold, obviously the 6-liter struggled a little bit, then the Cummins struggled a little bit, and then the Duramax struggled very, very little. Now as far as the sound goes, third place would definitely have to go to the 3rd gen, because currently with the compounds on there, everything is extremely, extremely muffled. So the exhaust note it ain't great, and that's why we're gonna have to 2G swap that thing, because we want it to sound absolutely disgusting. And yeah, we'll probably end up losing some nice low-end torque, but it needs to sound better. It does not sound great right now, and that's such a huge thing to me that we're going to be changing that thing up for sure. Now, I guess 2nd place and 1st is very, very difficult, because I do think the 6-liter sounds even better than it did before with the new exhaust tip. I still think I'll rate the Duramax at my #1, just that specific sound, the way that it does with the turbo, and when you hit the brake and it turns off the high idle, it just, I don't know, it's very close. Duramax 6-liter, very, very close. Both sound absolutely disgusting, but drop a comment and let me know which one was your favorite. And with that said, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, drop a comment, subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification. I'll see y'all boys in the next video.